I'm Casey with Emart, and welcome to our instructional series channel. Today I'll be showing you our 14 by 16 inch portable and foldable Photo Studio 10. Backdrop options in white, blue, gray, and black. Here's our white photo box. These buttons that are very similar to a shirt, a button-up shirt, and you just secure them and you'll hear a pop, but that's all it is. And even if you didn't get this order correctly, you'll find here's the inside of the button, here's the outside, and they pop. And you're like, oh no, I missed this one. That's fine. It just goes, unpop it, put it inside. You simply line them up and wait for the pop. Easy as can be. So now we have our lighting box. This also includes a little over 4 inches of a pop-up top, in case if you wanted to overview. With the Velcro, easily goes back into place. And now let's set up with a backdrop. Let's do gray today. I found that it doesn't really matter which side of the gray piece you use, but for today's, we'll just put the bottom down here. Just like a folded piece of paper, you just tuck it right on in. So we're just gonna tuck this in here. You'll see tabs are located on the upper inside, on the right and left corners. The bottom also has right and left options. You can see how quick and easy this is to change, interchangeable, so fast for any product that you're shooting. Next, we'll set up our tripod stand here. This is very similar to most stands where it has the 3 legs, they pop out, and then you'll notice a screw top. We'll take our phone holder, which has the bottom, and we'll simply screw that into place. The wonderful thing about this is it features a 360 rotation, which means that you can get any camera angle you'll need for your photo shoot. Also, we're going to secure the legs in place with this stand and just do a righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. There we are. So the cord comes with the USB on one end and then the 2 lighting units on the other. Like a pyramid, the smaller end goes up top. Simply push them in. There's plenty of space, so you don't have to worry about being limited on length. And then we'll plug in our USB. It's just that simple, folks. If you have any questions or comments, please message them below.
first thing that I liked about it is that even though it's a cube shape, it's all one piece. So it's easy to fold it together and build it into the cube shape. And what makes it stick together is all the corners have this Velcro running in a circular form around the edges. So you just touch them together. Is the lighting on top. It's a square shaped LED strip to manually adjust overhead shots, and that's important as well.